Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Dimetrodon from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Dimetrodon from Jurassic World Dominion, let's begin with the face. I'm going to start right over here. We're going to make a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to come down here. Underneath here, we're going to go down and then up for an eye. We'll make a little curved line underneath, and then one more here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to go down for that eyebrow. Right here, we're going to come out, and we're going to bring this down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come up again as we go past the eye. And then let's extend this all the way down here. Right here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to go way far down like this. Then up here, we're going to go out and down. Then we're going to go out and down one more time. Starting here, let's add a little curve. And inside of here, let's add some sharp pointy teeth for our Dimetrodon. Then we're going to add a little line down. Then we're going to add another line that's going to come down here. And then we'll just curve it and connect it. Next, we're going to come down and curve it up here. And then we're going to make some little points on here for some teeth, and some more little sharp teeth on this side, and some sharp teeth back here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And one more, it's going to come up and down with a little line that's going to connect. And we're going to make a couple little curved lines here. We'll do a black dot here and a black dot here for the nose. And a little line over. Starting here, let's add a few curve shapes just for the neck. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. Now their legs are a little different. We're going to start here. We're going to go out, and then we're going to bring it in. See, it's almost kind of like a boomerang shape. Draw a line that comes out to a point and back. One here. One here. We'll do one here for 4 toes, and then they actually have 5 little toes. So we'll do one out here. Next, we're going to come up, and then as we come up, let's go over. Then we'll make a line right here. We'll bring this over. Next, we'll bring this line up. We'll draw another leg. This leg, we're going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back. Then we're going to go down a little more. Draw a line that comes out to a point and back. Another one out to a point and back. One here. And then we're going to make one little toe over here. We'll only see 4 toes on this foot. We're going to go up and then over. And then we'll bring this up. Now over here we're going to make another little arm sticking out. So we're going to go out and down here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and back. And then another one here. We'll do one here, and then we'll make another little claw out this way. Then we'll bring it up. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for a point, and then another one's going to come up and down for a point. We'll make one more here. And I'm going to make a long broken line that's just going to come right to about here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out for the tail. Make it come to a point, and then we're going to bring it all the way back here. And you can see it gets nice and wide as it starts to come back. Now, one of the most famous things about this dinosaur is their great big fin that they have on top of their back. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this a little bit different. We're going to make some long, skinny spikes all the way back here, and then we're going to connect them. So we're going to make these small at first, so you just want to go up and down. And we're just going to kind of place some small ones around here first. You can keep them kind of close together. And then we want to slowly, as we get towards the middle of the back, we want to start making these get taller and taller. And you can see I'm not quite touching this line here. That's just kind of more of a guideline that I put in. So we're going to make these get nice and tall, keep them real skinny. And we'll make one more right about here, and this will be our kind of highest point. Then we're going to start adding some more of them in here. So we're just going to continue adding them. And you can see now we're going to start making them get smaller as they come towards the tail. So we're going to make these get smaller and smaller. There's no set amount that you have to have in here. We're just going to make these get nice and small as they get towards the top of the tail, and we'll stop them right about there. Now, once we have this drawn, then we want to connect each one of these with a little smiley face. So you can see that they're going to be a little bit taller on one side versus the other, but we're just going to connect each one. So just give them that little smiley face shape to connect each little spike in here. We'll do one right there. Now that gives our dinosaur that nice big pointy fin up here. Now right now we have our basic shape of our Dimetrodon. We want to come in here now and add some more of the details. So let's begin up here. I'm going to make a couple little lines right here for the neck area. On the arms and legs, we'll add some little curved lines right around here. This just gives it some wrinkles and kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic. We'll add a couple little lines here on the elbows and over here on the knee. I like to add a couple little extra lines going around here. And I like to add some little curved lines right here on the claws. You can even come in here and add an extra line or two. Gives a little more detail. I'm going to add some long, skinny, broken lines up here, just for a little bit of detail. And we'll do a few more here too. We're going to make some broken lines right here. We'll make some little curves right here. And then we're going to add some of these pointed little spikes in here, just to show that he's got a little bit more texture and detail on him. So just some kind of pointed little rounded shapes on here. We're going to put them in some different little spots here. And we'll put a few more. And then we're just going to add a couple more little details around here. Put a little curved line right here by the face. And then I'm also going to add some small little bumps and spikes right along the tail too. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Dimetrodon from Jurassic World Dominion. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.